So in this video, I'm going to show how you can download your VR tour or do a backup for the VR tour that you created. Okay, so first from your dashboard area, go to virtual tour, go to list tour. Okay, let's say I want to backup this demo 01. Okay, so I go to this download. So after I go to download, I see a few options. Okay, one is standalone. So let's say if you download a standalone file, this standalone file will allow you to download the entire VR, okay, compatible with HTML. So if you have your own hosting server, you can create a page, a HTML page, and then you can just paste the code there. So the whole virtual tour is then embedded into your own server or onto your own website. Okay, this one by using this, you don't have to use our shareable link or our embed link. Okay, basically the whole file is hosted in your own server on your website. Okay, so this is standalone. Okay, so the other one is standalone VR. So standalone VR will allow you to play the file on your VR headset, so the user can view the virtual tour in a VR headset. Okay, so this one you will need to have some knowledge how to use the VR headset, which for my side here I won't be going through because I'm just showing you how to download the file. Okay, the next one is importable. Importable is you import the file as a backup. Okay, you import the file as a backup and save it in your local drive. Okay, after which if you need the file, you can always do an import. Okay, when you do an import, you can download the file back to the dashboard area here again. Okay, so this is how to do import or a backup for your VR tour.